Those people who ever worked with PDF files know how painful it could be to extract data from them. Let me explain the problem. So the customer receives statements from the suppliers in this format, but the problem is that from time to time the format may change. For example, the supplier may decide to insert additional column or change the fields order, and that means that everything must be redesigned. On top of that, we need to keep two copies of our transformation, the one we had before and the one that we have after, and check the format every time we load the data. Let me show how this can be addressed using Google Gemini AI. So I have created workflow. Let me run it. Here we have the prompt, and the prompt is very resistant to changes. That means, for example, if new columns are inserted, it will still work as long as we have all those fields within the file. We click OK. And here we have the answer. Let me explain how it works. So what we do here, we load file content into variable. Is the file name, is the variable name. Then we encode it using base64 format. Then we ask the user the question. Again, we convert the question into proper JSON, and we submit the request to Google using this URL. His variable we use to pass access key. The data is submitted in JSON format. And we insert question here and encoded file content. And after that we receive a response from Google. Let me show the format. So here's what we get. And what we need to do, we need to extract this data in proper format. And we have number of functions, actions which do that. And finally, we show the answer to the user. Thank you for watching. If you have similar problems, please feel free to contact us and we will do our best to help you. Bye.